If you give presentations in Google Slides, whether you're teaching, pitching, or presenting in class, you're going to love this update. Google has finally added a built-in annotation tool, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it so you can highlight, underline, and draw directly on your slides while you present. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Slides. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're on the Slides homepage, you'll see your recent presentations. You can open an existing one or click blank presentation to follow along. With your deck open, go to the top menu and click View, then select Slideshow. This instantly puts your presentation into full screen mode, the same view your audience sees when you're presenting. Now here's where the new feature lives. Move your cursor down to the bottom left corner of the screen. As soon as you hover there, a row of icons appears. Click the three dots. This is the More or Overflow menu. Inside that menu, choose Turn on the Pen. That activates the new annotation tool. Once the pen is on, you can draw directly on your slides using your mouse, trackpad, or stylus. Want to circle something, underline a key phrase, or sketch a quick diagram? Just drag and draw. You'll also see color options, so you can switch to whatever stands out best against your slide design. One important thing to know, these annotations are temporary. Anything you draw only lasts during the slideshow and won't change the actual slide files. So you can emphasize freely without worrying about messing up your design for later. And that's really all it takes. In just a few clicks, you can make your presentations more interactive, engaging, and clear. Perfect for teachers, students, presenters, coaches, and anyone who shares ideas visually. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick guides on digital tools that actually make your life easier. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to use the annotation tool, and I'll see you in the next one.